Greetings, dear friends. Today, we come together to reflect on Maundy Thursday, a day that carries a powerful message of love, humility, and service, values that unite all of humanity. This day marks a significant event in the history when Jesus Christ shared his Last Supper with his disciples. But beyond its religious meaning, Maundy Thursday offers an important lesson to all of us, regardless of faith or background. The word Maundy comes from the Latin word mandatum, meaning commandment. On this night, Jesus Christ gave a new commandment to his followers: love one another as I have loved you. Love is the foundation of all faith, cultures, and traditions. It is this force that binds all nations, communities, and families together. One of the most touching moments of this day is when Jesus Christ washed the feet of the disciples. In those days, only the servants would perform this act, but Jesus, being a leader, a teacher, chose to serve others, showing true greatness is found in humility and service. This act shows that we have to put aside our ego and pride and serve one another with kindness and respect. In addition of washing their feet, Jesus instituted the sacrament of Holy Eucharist, also known as the Lord's Supper. During the Last Supper, Jesus took bread, he broke it, and said, "This is my body, which is shed for you. Do this in remembrance of me." Then he took the cup of wine and said, "This cup is the new covenant in my blood, which is poured for you." Through this sacred act, Jesus gave his disciples and all of humanity a powerful way to remember his sacrifice and to share in his love, life, and grace. The Eucharist is a tangible expression of his presence and a call of love and care for others. Many great personalities have followed this path of humility and service. Mahatma Gandhi, though a man of great influence, led a simple life and served others. He believed that the best way to find yourself is to let loose yourself in serving others. Similarly, Mother Teresa, known as the Saint of Gutters, devoted her life to the sick, the dying, and the abandoned. She once said, "Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love." Around the world, different traditions celebrate the idea of sharing a meal as a sign of togetherness. Whether it is festival, family get-together, or a community feast, sharing a meal or breaking bread shows us or reminds us about the beauty of human connection. Maundy Thursday also marks the beginning of a time of deep reflection, a moment to ask ourselves, are we spreading love and kindness in our daily lives? Are we willing to serve those in need just like our great leaders, spiritual teachers did throughout the history? Are we breaking barriers of division and working towards unity and peace? The message of Maundy Thursday is universal. Love, humility, and service can transform the world. No matter who we are, we have the power to bring joy, love, peace, and dignity to others. As we reflect on this day, let us carry this message forward, not only today, but every day. Let us build a world where love is stronger than hatred, where service is greater than power, and where unity is important than division. May this day inspire us to be better people, to respect and uplift one another, and to live with a compassionate heart. Wishing you all peace, joy, and love. Thank you.
I, your Lord and Master, now become your servant. I, who made the moon and stars, will kneel to wash your feet. This is my commandment, to love as I have loved you. Kneel to wash each other's feet as I have done for you. All the world will know you are my disciples by the love that you offer, the kindness you show. You have heard the voice of God in the words that I have spoken. You beheld heaven's glory and have seen the face of God. I, your Lord and Master, now become your servant. I, who made the moon and stars, will kneel to wash your feet. This is my commandment, to love as I have loved you. Kneel to wash each other's feet as I have done for you. I must leave you now, only for a moment. I must go to my Father to make you a home. On the day of my return, I will come to take you with me to the place I have promised, where your joy